Hi, I'm Carol Murphy, and I'm an elementary school librarian at Hanby Elementary. This is my lovely library, and I was fortunate enough to take Kimberly's course, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about it so that when you look at the syllabus, you won't panic. There's quite a bit of work, but don't worry. She does a nice job of explaining it clearly, carefully, willing for suggestions, willing to talk to you about it. And when you've got it done, you'll be very proud and happy with your product. So one of the things that Kimberly has you do is the product that you're going to produce at the end of the semester is this lovely binder with lots and lots of tabs and pages and all sorts of things. But again, don't panic. It's going to be something that you're going to progress through. You're going to learn about your library. You're going to learn about your district's policies with library. You're going to learn from other people in the classroom various things you can learn about how libraries operate within school districts. You are also going to find out information you didn't even know you were supposed to know, which is a wonderful thing, and you'll have that at your fingertips. So I have referred to this binder a couple times through the year since I've taken the course, and my goal eventually is to put it in live binder, but I haven't gotten there yet. Again, it is something that you will absolutely need. This is the most pragmatic class that I've had in this library program, and I appreciated the conversation, the depth of discussions, the reflections that were made, that I was made to do, because it makes you think about how it is you want to operate your library. I also appreciated that the class had good discussions about this, and that I was able to hear from different school configurations. So we heard from librarians who were in the public schools, private schools, and also ones that are in elementary, middle school, and high school. Managing the workload, as we tell our students, stay on top of it. There is quite a bit of work, but if you chunk it, and Kimberly does a nice job with chunking it, and you just follow through with the process, you'll be amazed at how much you'll get accomplished. The other thing that I highly suggest you do is make it personal so it matches and fits your situation. I know one of the requirements was the Bill of Rights for readers. I went online and saw a number of different ones, and I chose one that was specifically for elementary students so that I could have them enjoy that product. There are others for middle school, and there's certainly others for the high school level as well. Also, if you take your time with it and think about how it's going to impact you, what you think is important in your library, then it's your work in progress. It's your personalized information, and it allows you to take ownership not only of your that's my phone, I'm sorry. Not only of your facilities, but also of your books, your philosophy, and your interaction and collaboration with teachers. One of the things that Kimberly's very good at doing is having a stretch out of our comfort zone. So we had a couple projects that we needed to do. One was doing a presentation in front of the class, and that was with a budget, but it was interesting for me to be able to figure out how I would budget. I don't have the same facilities that other people have, so I still remember very clearly, and I hope you'll hear about the dust residue of budgets and how you try to get those crumbs so that they come to the library. I keep telling my principal that, so hopefully I will see extra money at the end of this year. The other thing is we had to ask for a grant or write a proposal for a grant from different places, and Kimberly was very helpful in me proposing it, talking to her, writing back, engaging in conversation via email. I'm happy to report that I did get the books that I wanted, and my kids are absolutely fascinated by them. So again, this is why I'm really thinking this course is one of the best I've taken. It's the most pragmatic, but it makes you think, and you're very proud of the product when you're finished.